What is up, theme park junkie fans? We're here at Scarehouse Pinellas. So this is our second year doing it. Last year was really fun, and they said that they've got some new stuff in store for us this year. So we're gonna head on inside and get this, check this out and see what's gonna happen. All right, let's head on in. So listen, guys, you're gonna have to find a parking spot down the road because this is in an industrial area. So you'll walk up, and this is kind of what you're gonna see. Hi guys, so this year you're gonna come up to the table. Okay, fill out the waiver. We're gonna fill out a waiver. You come up here with your smartphone, scan the QR, fill out the waiver, hand in your tickets.
Alright. Yeah, I'm just gonna stamp your hand. Well, now you buy that lovely lady a drink. Good luck. You're welcome.
Oh, what happened?
How you doing?
New merchandise this year. This is a $20 shirt.
Items for
I think it's really cool.
15 cash or card.
Every single person in it.
Alright, so right after you sign the waiver and you get the ticket scan, you get to come and look at some of the merchandise.
This guy's on the lace nut. Thank you, Michael. Oh, nice. I gotta just buy my stuff.
Alright guys, so all these cool tomboys are just $20.
There's a few more actually right over there as well. And this one, they all glow in the dark. The shirts are on the racks behind you. The shirts are 20 and the hoodies are 30. Okay.
He's just my king, and she can see, he can't take that shit up. He's just my king, and she can see, he can't take that shit up. He's just my king, and she can see. People throw their hands in it, right? For the wow. Right here. Oh, in our house, like I'm splitting my kids. I'm just doing it, just right in the house. Like an MC's in the spot.
The food. What are you looking at? The food?
Don't baby sled. When I put your hand up for this in the bed.
A little area to watch the movie. Pumpkin patch again this year. Pretty cool.
He's with my kinky, and she can see.
That's funny. Doesn't matter, was he chasing you? Oh, he was in your face. Alright guys, we're just about ready to go in now. Alright guys, they're letting us in now. Oh, alright.
Hurry! You've been exposed! You have to go through the decontamination!
Decontamination? Where am I going? Oh, over here somewhere.
Hurry!
Where? Oh, you go through the door. Alright.
Oh my god!
Oh, it's one of those. Okay, I got it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120,
cool.
Do you have a cure?
The jump scares are sick. Oh wait, watch
I don't
out.
feel good.
Well, I'm not. I can't help you. Oh yes. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh my god!
I can't. I don't know where I'm going.
I guess we gotta go through here.
All right. Oh wait. There's a, oh, hey. What's that? The noodles in my face. Oh ew. Jeffrey Dahmer's been in here.
Oh god! There's okay! No! I don't know where I'm going.
Oh Jesus. I think we're supposed to go this way. I don't know.
Where are you headed?
Yeah, we definitely have to go that way.
My husband! I'm sorry.
Here we go.
Goodbye.
Get me out of here. I'm stuck.
Save my baby! Save my baby, please!
Oh my god.
Please save my baby! Ah!
Get over here.
Shoot! Get out of my closet!
I don't know. We're just trying to get.
Oh my god, this song's really good. Oh shoot. Oh my god.
Help me!
Ah!
Stay with us!
No.
Stay! Why won't you stay?
Terrifying, actually.
Yeah.
What in the Alright, thank God someone said something.
Thanks.
Save you in here!
Oh my god. It hurts. Help me.
Kiss me!
Oh my god, my heart is pounding.
Would you like to play some games?
No, not right now.
No, why not? It's a carnival!
My heart's pounding. I'm so pissed.
Step right up! Why leave it so early? Why leave it so early?
Oh, jeez.
Uh-oh. Somebody's knocking, but they can't come in. Oh!
I don't know. Where are we supposed to go? This way?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Jesus. I just feel your heart pounding. Oh, I know that freaking clown. I can't breathe.
Oh my god.
Oh, I don't know where I'm going. Just get us out of here.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. My heart is pounding.
Alright, we're going in another area. There we go. Oh, come on. I can't see.
That's a good thing!
Oh, mother.
Hey!
What?
Hi.
Hi.
Happy Halloween, guys. Off to your right.
Oh, to the right.
awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, so there's actually a helpful person. Where are we?
I think we're in the graveyard. Oh, it's kind of creepy.
Look.
Kind of creepy.
That's not a death! Come here!
Oh my god, guys. That was so good. My heart is pounding so much. Oh my god. I don't think I mean, I know I screamed so much in there. That was really great. I gotta give it to you guys. That was really good.
That was fantastic. Give me 1 second, guys, please. Alright, guys, listen. That sign says we were tortured at the Scarehouse.
I really were.
We were tortured at the Scarehouse. That was fantastic. That is a 10-star house. I loved it.
I did too. My heart is still pounding
I
so
actually
bad.
felt her heart pounding through her back while I was holding her through that.
I grabbed onto him so many times.
Now you guys know we do all these haunted events and a lot of ones get us really good and they're really all good.
I mean, how many times did I scream in there?
I was not expecting it. This is a fantastic haunt guide. Please, if you can come out to Scarehouse Pinellas, you're not going to be disappointed. By far.
And the tickets are really cheap. I think the tickets are only $10, guys. $10.
Come on out here. You're going to have a really good scare. I'm telling you, you're going to have fun. That was fantastic, guys. Really. Thank you so much, guys, for inviting us out here.
Yes.
We do appreciate it. We had a blast. Last year was fantastic. This year was 10 times better.
And I'm even looking forward to next year.
Yeah, we've heard some inside information that this is going to get even bigger, probably twice the size. So we might even get 2 houses next year, guys. I'm telling you, this is a haunt to keep your eyes out on. So,
Scarehouse Pinellas, guys.
Yeah.
Come on out.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please hit that like button. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. And until next time, we're going to see you at a theme park. Bye.